The Eastpak Volker Laptop Backpack from Aspen of Hereford. Who is this bag ideal for? If you commute regularly with a laptop, if you like to travel light on a weekend break, and it's great for education as well, with plenty of room for all you need to carry. On the front, we have a vertical zip pocket, which is great for speedy access and is nice and large. Behind this, we have a zip organizer pocket with some pockets, a zip mesh pocket, and a key clip. It has a generous grab handle on the top, which is always very handy. And on both sides, we have cinch straps, which is great for securing your load. On this side, we have a drinks and umbrella pocket. On the back, we'll find padded backpack straps, which are ergonomically shaped for your comfort. We have an adjustable and movable sternum strap, some loops and some D-rings for accessories. And on the back, we have a zip secure pocket, which is up against your back when you're carrying the bag. The zips are protected under a storm flap, which is really nice. The bag has two main compartments. The front one is accessed with twin zips and has a large amount of packing space. The second compartment is again accessed with twin zips. And in here, we will find a padded laptop section that fits up to a 15-inch laptop. The bag measures 48 centimetres high, 34 centimetres wide, and 24 centimetres deep, and has a volume of 35 litres. Links to buy the bag are in the description below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.